Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can merge multiple PDF files for free in your computer. So why merge PDF? Maybe you have several documents or assignments, receipts or photo that turned into PDFs and you want everything combined into one neat file. Don't worry, it's super easy, and here I'm going to show you using an app called iLovePDF. It's free, safe, and available on Google Play Store on our browser like this. So it works really well for merging, compressing, editing, and also converting PDFs. So first you can just open the page ilovepdf.com. Now just tap the options that says merge PDF. Now you can just click on select PDF files or drop the PDFs in here. I'm going to just select PDF files, and in here I'm going to find the file first. Okay, let's say in here I'm going to combine these two. You can just tap on open. You can also add more files if you want to. And after that, you can just click on merge PDF. So you can just give it a few seconds, and just like that, the PDF have been merged and it will be downloaded automatically. And that's it, super easy, right? So if this tutorial helped you, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and also comment below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.